Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Hall, and I am a practicing physician for more than 25 years and specialize in the clinical care of African Americans. I serve as the medical director at Eliza Bryant as well as University Manor, The Willows, and Crawford Manor. As some of you may also know, I was infected with the COVID virus and spent 8 days in the hospital and with 3 in the intensive care unit. I contracted the infection before Thanksgiving, and I'm still not fully recovered a full month later. The virus impacts people differently, but my course was very severe. If I had not been healthy, it may have killed me. This is why I feel it's very important to emphasize the benefit of getting the vaccine. I cannot stress enough that avoiding what happened to me, being sick as a dog, hospitalized, wondering if I was going to make it, and still wondering when my breathing will normalize, could all have been avoided with 2 simple injections. I understand that there are some concerns regarding this vaccine, so I want to clarify some of those concerns and discuss the many reasons you should get vaccinated. First, you should get vaccinated to protect yourself, your family, and the residents of the nursing facility you work at. Getting the vaccine helps stop the spread of COVID-19 in the community, and we have the opportunity to set the example for others, including our coworkers, family members, and the community at large. Secondly, the first 2 COVID-19 vaccines do not contain the COVID-19 virus. Both vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna are messenger RNA vaccines. While the messenger RNA technology is new to vaccine production, it's been used in cancer treatment and been studied for more than 10 years. It basically teaches your body to build antibodies to fight the virus if you get exposed to COVID-19 in the future. The vaccine will not give you COVID-19, and it will not change your DNA. Third, the COVID-19 vaccine is effective. The Pfizer vaccine is 95% effective, and the Moderna vaccine is 94% effective. And the trials for both vaccines included more than 60,000 people, with more than 20% being Black and 33% Hispanic and Latino. Now let's address some common questions. What should I expect when I get the vaccine? The vaccine will not give you the virus, but you may have short-term side effects, including fatigue, headache, muscle pain, chills, fever, and pain at the injection site. These side effects mean that your body is doing its job making antibodies. These side effects are normal, common, and expected. Also, you should expect to get the second dose of the same vaccine. The vaccine will not protect you if you only get 1 dose, and it won't be effective if you mix the different vaccines. Why was the vaccine developed, or even why and how was the vaccine developed so quickly? There are 3 main reasons that researchers were able to develop the COVID-19 vaccine quickly. First, it was a global effort with the world's leading scientists focused on one single task, developing the vaccine. The companies able to develop it the earliest would make billions of dollars, but they also will be held accountable financially if something goes wrong. Second, because of the potential profit of developing the vaccine the earliest, nearly unlimited resources were directed toward its development. The third and final reason was that there's such a large pool of diverse adult volunteer trial participants across the country and across the world to test it. Now, the FDA did not skip any steps in developing the vaccine. An emergency use authorization was used, and this is the fastest process to approve a vaccine quickly in order to save lives during a public health emergency. This emergency use authorization does not imply that the COVID-19 vaccine is less safe than other vaccines. Will I still need to wear a mask after I get the COVID-19 vaccine? Well, until 70% of the population has either had the infection or has had the vaccine, yes, we will need to still use these protective measures. Do I need the vaccine if I already had COVID-19? The answer is yes. It is safe and important to get vaccinated even if you had COVID-19. Getting the vaccine gets you longer and better protection against COVID-19. And so I intend to get the COVID-19 vaccine. In summary, we all need to work together to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. In addition to wearing PPE, practicing physical distancing, and proper hand washing, we need to get vaccinated to help protect ourselves and our residents. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to the time when we can have widespread immunity to COVID-19 so we can get back to living our lives. Take care and happy holidays.